நான் ஒரு தடவை சொன்னா நான் நூறு தடவை சொன்ன மாதிரி.
Okay.
RCB it is going to be, and I feel Sidhu Paji is into me right now.
Okay.
So मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है.
Wow, 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 wow. He hits sixes.
As we see some very nice banners which I mentioned earlier. When Chris Gayle is batting, the fielders become spectators, and the spectators become fielders because we see most of the catches being taken by the audience.
I know.
The audience members.
So I asked Gayle last night.
ये कोई पूछने की बात है. It's absolutely RCB. All my money, all my properties on them.
Wow.
So yes, going out all out. We both are big fans of
Oh,
Rajinikanth.
yes.
Yeah.
Yes, we are.
So I'm gonna end this with Rajini's beautiful dialogue.
Super.
It could be Eden Gardens. Yeah, Eden Gardens. He's been there, done that. I think Chris Gayle, like Sham completely mentioned, he's got the power. The man definitely has power.
In fact, even a miss hit actually goes for a six.
Yes, yes. I mean, there were so many missed hits in the last.
Abbas, you memorize a lot of things. Please keep some in store for the next one.
Right now with me.
Yes. Yes.
Frankly, let me, I'll speak as a non-RCB fan now. There's a beautiful saying in English and in the world of cricket. It's called perform or perish.
Yes.
You know, hit out or get out.
Yeah.
You have, after being given a chance again and again and again and not being able to do anything, Aussie. So that's going to be good fun. Two Aussie going about in a battle. That'll be good fun. Like we saw last time, Gautam Gambhir and Virat Kohli.
Yes.
This time that's from Mitchell Starc versus Glenn Maxwell, and it's going to be quite a good tutu meme. सिद्धू पाजी की याद आ गई तो एक शेर डॉक्टर राजकुमार का है.
Yes.
बहुत पहले आरसीबी को रोक सके इस जमाने में दम नहीं, जमाना आरसीबी का है, आरसीबी जमाने से नहीं.
Well, thank you so much, Abbas, for that, and hopefully, the one who never gives up, true blue Royal RCB fan, MC Abbas. Thank you so much for joining us, Abbas. I hope this Sunday it's Bangalore's match.
Well, saying, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. But here, speaking honestly, RCB is going soft.
Yes.
Not only that, if you see the batting order, it's like a cycle stand. One cycle falls, the rest of them fall. Tuck, 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 tuck. Also like the pack of cards. That is what is happening here. My heart goes out to myself and all the true RCB fans. Wow, positivity to the core. I think all the blood groups are positively positive. And we're looking at it, atmosphere at the stadiums, all of them in the best of banners, best of flags. We're all going our heart out and do that. This time, for the sake of all the RCB fans, it's my emotional appeal going on to all the RCB players. It is high time that they up their game, up their quotient, and in favor of Rajasthan Royals. But heart is always with RCB. But there is this beautiful shairi of Josh Malehabadi. When you're down and out, when you're losing, this really inspires and motivates me. I'd like to share it with all of you, all our viewers. It goes like this. हमें बहरे हस्ती से गुजर क्यों नहीं जाते, जीना नहीं आता तो मर क्यों नहीं जाते, उस पार पहुंचना है तो तूफान भी मिलेंगे, डरते हैं तो कश्ती से उतर क्यों नहीं जाते.
Very much. Keep those sharis coming. I hope RCB takes some.
Go for it, win it, play freely.
MC Abbas, the true red RCB fan. Thanks a lot for joining us, Abbas.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
And we have.
Abdul Kalam mentions this. It's a very beautiful quote. It goes like this. When beggars die, there are no comets seen, but the heavens themselves set ablaze for the death of princes. Seems like, I'm glad to see that Yuvraj has actually performed, and wow, with that aggression he went about, hitting the blazing sixes and fours in roughly about 38 balls.
You were there at the stadium. Yes.
Absolutely, it was fantastic. And today again I'm going to be at the stadium, Yuvraj meaning prince,
Yeah.
the crown prince, and Singh meaning Simha. Derived from the word Simha, which is of lion.
Yes.
And he used to say, what I see in the young Kohli is what he used to be years before. And that is exactly what he brought about.
Right.
Also, if you saw his RCB matches, they've been doing well. And I'd like to lastly interpret and leave the final lines of Josh Malehabadi to inspire RCB. It goes like this. Zinda rehna hai to, मेरे कारवां बनकर रहो, इस ज़मीन की पस्तियों में आसमां बनकर रहो. It's like this, Sats. Basically, if you want to live a life, lead the life of a leader in the spirit of a lion, and lead to win. So RCB, we wish you best luck and please win it for us.
So that's the message for RCB.
Message. So
Always have this feeling IPL 7 being lucky number 7 and lucky number 7 for RCB according to Sanjeev Simani who gave him the numerology. And let's hope yeah, probably next one he should be here with us. Love to have him though. So yeah, there's a book by Shuk Kharab, You Can Win. It says winners don't do different things, they do things differently. and I think RCB is reaching that axis and gaining better heights. And yes, seeing at the last match, and we beat Hyderabad very comfortably. We had the biryani at one go. So let's hope this time also. Statues are never laid in honor of any critic. If you listen to a critic, then you need to be nothing, say nothing, and do nothing. And Yuvraj Singh is indeed born to be something bigger than life, not just a nothing. So that way, he silences critics. And I love what you said, you know. But Chris Gayle happens to think how you can yes, he's always up there doing a Gangnam Style, ABD, Yuvraj, all of them are looking into the spirits. I happen to ask Murli, but who's your favorite player? The bonding is such that he named for all the RCB fans, everyone in the studio, all of us, वो सिकंदर का दोस्तों मुकद्दर कहलाता है RCB को हारी बाजी जितना हमें आता है ये RCB और हम हैं मुकद्दर का सिकंदर
A big win. Let's hope a super duper performance by Virat Kohli and RCB. And like Nicola McQuarrie said, it is not titles that honor men, it is men that honor titles. All the best. Go RCB. It's only RCB.
Well, that's just.
In this beautiful Shah Rukh Khan movie Bazigar, Shah Rukh Khan says, "हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं." So let's hope the Royal Challengers Bazigars turned out to be in Bangalore and they come out performing excellently well. And it would be nice if Chris Gayle would have played, but unfortunately.
The next guest on our studio, is the voice of Bengaluru, MC Abbas, the master of ceremonies and most of the events in Bengaluru, and he's been a regular in Sakat Slam Bang series in Bengaluru.
Shahrukh doesn't say हार कर जीतने वाले को बाजीगर कहते हैं. I hope that doesn't happen. But yeah, knowing Kings XI Punjab playing so fantastically throughout the IPL 7, Kings XI Punjab, but this die-hard Shah Rukh Khan fan in me wants somehow Shah Rukh to be happy. Let's see how that goes. Sachin Tendulkar happened to hit a shot, on the offside. Exactly the next ball, even Virender Sehwag replicated exactly the same thing. But like I said, class is permanent. That is why he's called the Nawab of Najafgarh.
Absolutely.
The way being underdogs and the way they've come back. But if you ask my heart, it has to be a Shah Rukh Khan, being a die-hard Shah Rukh Khan, just like I'm a fan of RCB. So प्रीति के लिए एक शायरी अर्ज करना चाहूँगा मैं.
Absolutely.
उनका शबाब भी क्या, उसका मेहताब भी क्या, आप तो आप हैं, आपका जवाब भी क्या. को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा खुद बंदे से पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है. जली को आप कहते हैं, मुझे को रात कहते हैं, और जो शम्मा कभी ना मुझे, उसे शाहरुख खान कहते हैं.
Red Chillies Entertainment, they just called us for a role for Abbas. Red Chillies Entertainment, they just called us for a role for Abbas. Abbas, after the show, please call them back. You will be awarded a Bollywood role after this.
Thank you.
Compliment considering you're a big fan. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining us
Pleasure all
in
ours.
our studios. So there you have it. It's going to